Do you ever feel like your day slips away without getting everything done? Are you struggling to track your time effectively and stay focused on your task? It's time to take control of your day. Introducing DeskTime. So DeskTime is actually an all-in-one time tracker designed to help you boost productivity by 30% as advertised onto their website. So it can be made or it can be used from small businesses to large enterprises. So imagine effortlessly tracking your time, identifying unproductive apps, and gaining valuable insights into your work patterns. This time empowers you to work smarter, not harder, and achieve a healthy work life balance. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of using DeskTime. We'll explore its key features, including automatic time tracking, but we also have manual. We have URL and app tracking, productivity calculation, project tracking, document title, productivity exports. We have the dashboard, shift scheduling, absence calendar, screenshots, user dashboard, integrations, and API. And we can see that there's a lot of features that can be known using DeskTime. So stay tuned to learn how this application can help you take control of your time and boost your productivity. First things first, you can head over to their website, which is desktime.com. Now, if you want to actually get a free trial from them, you can click onto the login option or to this demo option right here. From in there, click onto this explore and you should be able to see in here this you can log in or sign up, and once you have logged in or sign up you should be able to see in here the actual dashboard that DeskTime will give you. So this is or the dashboard will look like. We have in here the dashboard part, and into this part we can log in and log out automatically. Now time also have their app. You can click onto this download app into the My DeskTime dashboard, and then it should be able to show you the desktime.com/download. Now it can help you to track your time automatically, and you can increase your team efficiency using this one. You can download it for Windows as well as Mac or Linux. So once you have click on it, you can install it all together and then log in, and it will automatically keep track of your time. Do take note that you can also use it onto your devices like Apple as well as Android. Now, you can also use it for your employees. So, if you have employees or team members, you can head over to this part of your dashboard, and then from in there, you can see in here all of the members that you have. So, as you can see, I don't have anyone yet. So in order to add your employee, what you can do is you can click onto this add team members. So you can access in here the real-time data about your team's activities. You can invite them to download it and install it. So for this one, you can click onto this add if you want to do it manually. Now you can also import your team members from Slack, Google Workspace, as well as CSV. So for this one, let me head over and then input right here the actual details that I have for an employee. So I have inputted right here their details, and then from in there, click onto this invite option. So it will send an email to them in order to actually let them be part of your team. Under the employees, you can see them right here. So this is me and these are my employee. So you can actually task them in order to add them into different team. Like for example, you can click onto this particular employee, and then from in there, you can see their arrival time, their left time, productive time, desktop time, productivity, effectiveness, time at work, and also their this right productivity bar. So you can see in here the productive apps that they actually tackle and how many minutes or hours they spent on that. So for example, if they actually go over and then use Google Workspace or Google Drive, you should be able to see them right here. If they use Slack, you should be able to see it right here as well. So in order to track it real time, what you can do is you can head over and then make sure to endorse to them to go and then install DeskTime, and it will naturally input everything right here. No need to do anything anymore because DeskTime will collect it for you. You can see in here the categories like office apps, email, social media, as well as entertainment. So you can see in here if an employee are just using social media in all throughout their work hours. So you can manage them right here. You can see that per day. You can also see that per week as well as per month performance. Now let's head over right here into our colleagues. So for these colleagues right here, you can also add them if you want. So these are the colleagues that we have earlier. You can see all of their information like their teams and the likes. So for this one, let's go over and then create a project. To do that, click onto this projects option right here. Click onto this new project, or you can also integrate the project from Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar as well. So for this one, let's head over and then you can go over and activate it if you want. But let's go and then just try to add it manually. Click on the list new project. Input the project name right here. So for example, construction. And then input right here the activity status, the hourly rate, as well as the budget for this one. For example, let's put this right here. And you can see here the visibility, the individual hourly rate, as well as the hourly rate for those people. For example, let's put it right here. And then once you have done that, click on the create. And in here, you can see that project. So it's been created by mine. So you can also add in here task on that project. Click onto this new task and then put in here a task name. So for example, order materials. Then assign people right here. Let's assign Harry Potter. Then input right here a due date if you would want, as well as a progress. You can also input description and input right here the urgency, the label for that, estimated hours, default hourly rate, as well as rate groups option. So click on the this create task, and then Harry Potter can actually go and then work onto this particular task that we have right here. Also, your team members should be able to actually track their time while working on a task, so it's actually really beneficial as well. We also have in here the absent calendar. You can see in here if your employees are absent on a specific day. So for example, you can click onto this plus and then you can put in here the type of person or which person is actually absent. So let's put in here Hermione. Then input right here the away time type, for example, maternity leave and absent details. You can input right here the duration for that. Let's input it at around next month and click on save. So you can also input right here if it's a paid vacation or paid leave as well. So you should be able to keep track for this calendar for that, and you can adjust your shift schedules using this. Speaking of shift schedules, we have in here the work schedule option. And onto this one, you can add in here a schedule. Like for example, you can assign a certain person on a certain date. For example, let's assign Harry Potter for today. And then you can select in here the actual schedule option, working from office or remote. You can put in here the template, the shift details, the time for that, the minimum hours and the likes. Click onto the save. And after you have done that, it should be able to be added right here. So you can also add it for other team members that you have. So right here, you can see your reports. So you should be able to show up your desk time, time at work, offline times, productivity, effectiveness, and projects time, and as well as productivity bar on all of your employees or members. You can compare them by members, you can compare them by date, extra hours, project overview, as well as project itself. So everything will be in one place, so it's easier for you to keep track of everything as well. I hope now you know that DeskTime is a powerful and easy to use time tracker to boost your productivity and gain insights into your work habits as well as your employees' work habits. So if you're interested, you can head over to their website, which is desktime.com, And you can just get a free trial from there and then invite your employees just like I did. If you're ready to transform your time management and boost your productivity, then this is the right time to do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on time management and productivity. What are your biggest challenge with tracking? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.